Halor kajing mi kubor bau MLA ke Nongpoh constituency uba Mayralborn siem bau ula ban Mih Noh nak keseng UDP ban pelet penyeso apat keseng NPP. Uba Mayralborn siem shimla kentat ne pensisai kini kubor. Ndre ula ong bau nong mi kemat uba kinong song ke Nongpoh kila kajing shania aksenam arhajar kat pra bat arhajar arpulai. Ula ong bakat bala upersang bantrei bat hakabedai pat bakasnam arhajar arpupra kapor hi kan setho bat ka bakham don kam kalong baginong the vote ka constituency na Nongpoh ki ban sai ka dak yu ya ke ai ka budai ban le da ka bakadau ru ba manta ka kenti du du khot jung seng UDP bat umi khamat ya ka seng ha yang dor bar thawan ke jela ula job na ka tiket jong ka seng UDP ya ka snam arhajar arpulai bat usngungu ba shim la phaidin na kata ndrei ula ong ba ka snam arhajar arpupra ka ai ka ban saja kan selongkat kum ka jingya kapor uba Mayralborn siem ulapan pau ba kanu kanu kejinga lenti ka kamsan perthai kan syong ba ka jingmot jiginong syong snong na constituency haba kelipat alor kejing keno badan kejing pat ya pok kaseng UDP ula kentat budan bentah kanu kanu kenhuan nan kejing keren ke bai dei ba kata Lethuru babon kisang san perthai kilawan bane keren bat ba kane kane kerukom akasen syar pat ba
I will tell you frankly, I am the legislator in which the people of Nongpoh has reposed faith and confidence in 2018 as well as in 2023. As much as I can, I have tried to perform. I'm not saying that I have performed 100%. Even me, I'm a human being. But as much as we can, as I can, I have tried to perform. Now, when it comes about 2028, time will tell. And most importantly, is the electorate of Nongpoh constituency who will give me hint what shall I do. I hope you understand.
No.
The peoples have the power, the leaders, the people of my constituent, based on their support, based on the feedback, I can give you a categorical response on this. But right now, I am a member of the United Democratic Party. I represent this party in the Legislative Assembly. I won on this ticket in 2023. I am so thankful for that. There's no turning back on that. But 2028, what will happen, that time will tell. I've told you that all party is a challenger for me. All candidate, all political party. Even BJP also is strong. They have good party organization.
They have contacted you as well, right?
That it leave it to me. Who has contacted me or who has
BJP
not?
has contacted you, right?
All political party have contacted me. All. As a friend, I have friend in all political parties. So exchange call,
No,
messaging.
joining offer. Was
See,
there
in
any
a
feeler?
vibrant democracy,
Was
discussion is always there. Leaving party, joining party, doing well. All this is a part of a discussion in a vibrant democracy.
Was there any feelers from BJP?
Feelers from all party.